Alright, here's the video to wrap up today. The last video. Bought some new plug wires from Warren. Thanks, bud. Appreciate it. I bought some new R43 spark plugs. The old R45s wouldn't light up. I did some troubleshooting down in the distributor, cleaned the points, made a couple new wires. I got everything hot wired. I got the poor old Tahoe running. I don't know if you can hear the knock. Poor thing. Anyway, back to the 41. I did discover today that the bed is a 41, so I'm just going to call this a 41. I got the jumper cables, have the jumper cables wired up. I pulled the lower exhaust flange off. I'm going to take the header pipe in and get it reproed. I'm sure that carburetor will not hold fuel. And this ain't Granny's peach tea. So you guys are going to see what I'm going to see. I'm filling the float bowl. Put some down in there. I don't know if this thing's going to light up or not, but let's see. No way. Oh man. Come on, baby. Are you kidding me? No. Wow. I don't know when the last time this engine was run, but wow. Wow, I don't believe this. This is unbelievable. I flooded it. Well, we'll let the battery charge a bit. Now I don't have any coolant in the radiator or a fan belt, so I don't want to run this too long. But this is classified as one of them first start videos. Let's give her another shot. God dang it. Wow. Oh man. Alright. Go through the driver's side. See what we can do here. Oh, this is something else. feeling. There it is. Get the throttle. Here we go some more. That's enough. I don't know if I had oil pressure. Oh man. Oh. That stuff on the old back leaning over like that. Anyway, I'm going to have to rig up a, well, I have a small fuel tank and get a rebuild kit for the carb. I have an oil pressure gauge I can change out. I'm amazed and I'm excited. Anyway, Friday, road trip, Portland, cab, fun. Get out there and fix something. All right, thanks for watching my video. Have a good week. Later.